Right here I have Thorne NiaCel 400, also called Nicotinamide riboside. Right here it's a dietary supplement. It's made by Thorne, a company that has their products reviewed by third party to ensure the quality of it. It says it's also called a NiaCel 400. It says right here, take one capsule 1 to 2 times daily or as recommended by your healthcare practitioner. It's good for brain, nerves, healthy aging, and metabolism, so the bottle says. Let's go ahead and look on the ingredients of it. It says nicotinamide riboside, so that's a mouthful. Hydrogen malate, that's what it says right here, 415 milligrams. Betaine anhydrous, I can't pronounce that. It's 85 milligrams of that. And here are the ingredients on the side. Well, I'm just going to go ahead and open this up so we can see what's inside. So it has a safety seal that's on here to protect it from being tampered. And inside right here are the actual capsules. Show you that right here. And it says take one capsule 1 to 2 times daily as recommended by your healthcare practitioner. I'm going to go ahead and look at one of these. I'm going to take one of these right here. Take some water with it. Went down pretty well. So this is the Thorne NiaCel 400 right here. I'm going to go ahead and put this back inside of the bottle right here. So the pills, they're kind of large, I suppose, but when you're taking this with water, it went down pretty easily. Didn't mind it too much, but that's Thorne NiaCel 400, Nicotinamide riboside, NiaCel 400. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.